Welcome to the new and improved Tradestation platform. This new version of Tradestation provides significant enhancements to the appearance and functionality of the platform. One of the first things you see when logged into the platform is Tradestation Today. This dashboard was designed to keep you up to date with our most recent videos, our social feed, and upcoming events. At the bottom, you will also find recommended workspaces created by Tradestation that extend the power of the platform. Tradestation Today appears as a Workspace tab at the bottom of Tradestation. If closed, you may reopen it by clicking on Apps and clicking the Tradestation Today button. On this new version of Tradestation, we have removed a lot of the menu clutter and provided a more simple and intuitive platform. The former Trading App Launcher is now the Apps bar. The former Order bar is now the Trade bar. And the Position Graph bar keeps its name, but we've made it more customizable. By default, these bars appear along the top of the desktop. You can hover your mouse over a tab to expand it. Move your mouse away from the bar will make it auto-hide. If you wish to dock the bar and keep it always visible at the top of Tradestation, you may click the pushpin icon. Clicking the pushpin again will enable auto-hide. In the Position Graph bar of older versions of Tradestation, the tooltip that would appear when hovering over a graph was very long and you couldn't customize the information displayed. Now the tooltip is summarized and you may select the data to display. Right-click on the Position Graph bar, click on Settings, Customize Position Graph bar, and select the fields to display in the Tooltips tab. The menu bar at the top of Tradestation has been restructured and organized. It includes functionality that is applicable to the overall platform. Some of the menus will branch out into submenus to provide a more simplified view. In the View menu, for example, you will find Messages, which includes the Download Scheduler and the Message Center. You will also have access to shortcuts, such as macros and hotkeys. And if you wish to display a toolbar similar to the one found in older versions of Tradestation, you may click on Platform Toolbars and select Main Toolbar. The status bar at the bottom of Tradestation shows workspaces and account information combined into one single bar. However, if you wish to separate workspaces from the account information, click View, Platform Toolbars, and select Status Bar and Workspace Bar, and this will display them in two separate bars. One feature that I found very helpful is that you may now create new workspaces quickly by clicking the plus button next to the Workspaces tabs. If you're looking for functionality that belongs to a particular app, we have designed a new toolbar concept. Previously, toolbar buttons were at the top and they weren't easy to access. Now, toolbars have been incorporated into the specific window for easy access. Every app will have its own set of toolbar buttons within the window. Here you can see the Chart Analysis toolbar with functionality that is applicable only to charting. If we look at a Matrix window, it has its own set of tools that are used only in Matrix. And the same is true for every app in Tradestation. Clicking the View menu and the Application toolbar allows you to view the toolbar on the active window, on all windows, or just hide them all together. Some of the names in these toolbars have been updated. For example, in Chart Analysis, to change the data interval, now click on Time Frame. If you're looking for more interval options, click on Customize at the bottom of this drop-down. We have also added a convenient drawing menu in the toolbar with all the available drawing tools. Analysis Techniques and Strategies are now under Studies. Clicking Studies and Add Study will give you access to all your analysis techniques and strategies. Also click Studies if you wish to edit or customize a study or a strategy. The Style menu provides quick access to different chart styles, including volume bars and percent change charts. Click the Data menu to edit the symbol or add symbols to create a multi-data chart. If you wish to format the window, click the Settings button. In Settings, you also find Account Orders and Positions, allowing you to enable or disable position arrows and order lines from the chart. Chart analysis preferences are also in this settings menu. These new in-application toolbars are fully customizable. You may add or remove different buttons. Click this drop-down at the end of the toolbar and select Customize. Click through all the different categories to see all the available buttons. For example, if I want a button to quickly change my chart to a daily interval, I just click the Daily button, drag it to the top, and drop it anywhere inside the toolbar. Click Apply to keep the changes. Now, every time I click on this new button, my chart will change to a daily interval. In the Toolbars tab, select the Classic toolbar, and this will display a toolbar layout from previous versions of Tradestation. Here, you may also select Chart Drawing Toolbar, which displays a vertical drawing toolbar on the left edge of the chart. Click New if you wish to create a toolbar from scratch and only add the buttons you mostly use. To provide consistency with this new toolbar layout, the right-click menu on every app will match the buttons at the top. This makes it easier to find what you're looking for. There are a couple of improvements made to Radar Screen that I really like. Now you can insert additional columns or studies by clicking the plus button next to the last column in Radar Screen. You may also add symbols belonging to major stock indices very quickly by clicking Data and Add Symbol List. Here we see the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, and the Dow Jones Industrial. Upgrading your workspaces from an older version of Tradestation is now an easy process. The first time you log into this new Tradestation, if you have a previous version of Tradestation installed, you will be prompted to import your work using a step-by-step wizard. You may also start this process at a later time by clicking File, Backup Restore Tradestation, and select Restore from Legacy Version. You will notice that custom work that you create in Tradestation is now stored in a more accessible file directory. Instead of saving into program files, we now store all custom work, including Workspaces, in your Documents folder. Now, even if your platform is uninstalled, the files you have created will remain in this location. When backtesting strategies, the Strategy Performance Report and the Strategy Optimization Report can be accessed from within the Data menu. And to top it all off, we have made Tradestation Upgrades very easy. Each time you log in, Tradestation automatically checks to see if there's a newer version of the software available so you don't have to. You can trade confidently, knowing that you always have the platform's latest features and upgrades. We hope that all these new features will positively enhance your Tradestation experience and help you focus on what matters the most, your market analysis and your trading. Thank you for watching.